I just started it up for its trial startup and everything works. The fans are all spinning correctly. It's really, really quiet too. This is probably the quietest computer I've ever built. And I have all the cords tucked mostly down in there. And then I use some cable ties here to keep everything away from the fans. And that's how small the video card is, right there. It came with a special 2 brackets since this computer is thin. And I had to unscrew, it was like 1 long bracket, and they came with special ones to make 2 since the case is so thin. So that's really neat. And the video card doesn't have a fan, and this whole thing is a heat sink. So that's completely quiet. That's the hard drive right there. CD drive, and underneath it is, you can't even see it, but this compilation thing I built here, a thin DVD laptop type drive with a card reader, USB ports. Well, everything seems to be working, so I think I'll put the cover on and put the support bar. There's actually a support bar that goes across. Yeah, this thing goes across here for more support. Otherwise, the fan splitters work. All the fans are spinning, blowing air in the appropriate direction. So, I think it's done. I just gotta install Windows now.